Welcome to another Dark Nook video. Thanks for checking out the channel. You may remember the scarecrow mask sculpt from the sculpting tutorial video. I molded it. Here's the mold. It came out pretty good, except there's a couple of bubbles in it. Okay, so there's kind of a lot of bubbles, but they're small and they're easy to fix. First thing you gotta do, pour latex into this mold, spread it around with a brush and get it into every little nook and cranny, every little bubble. This will really serve two purposes. One, it'll help clean out any little bits of debris that are still in the mold, and it'll be a roadmap to where any of the bubbles or defects are. Just paint a layer of latex in, let it sit overnight, a couple hours, it'll be dry. Hit it with some baby powder, because this thin it's really going to want to stick to itself. Peel it out, and then this mask is going to be the perfect thing for you to see exactly where all the flaws are. Look at all the spots on the mask where there's bubble and mark them with a marker. I take a red Sharpie and mark all the spots where there's bubbles. That way I can use this test pull as basically a roadmap to show me in the mold where all the problem areas are. You might not notice every bubble just looking in the mold, but this way with a test pull, you can see all the spots that have bubbles, little warts, little defects. You can mark them, and then based on the marking on the mask, you can look at that point in the mold and see what's causing that defect and fix it. I like to take a toothpick and poke around at the bubbles a little bit just to make sure that I'm seeing the entire bubble, that there's not a very thin layer of plaster hiding a larger bubble. Because if there is, you want to go ahead and chip away that really thin plaster and patch the entire bubble. You don't just want to patch a little tiny area and then have the rest of it crumble apart the first time you pull a casting out of it. So I'm taking ultracal, the same material that the mold itself is made out of. I'm mixing up a small little batch with a couple drops of water to about a consistency like peanut butter. I want this really thick, and then I'll actually dip it in water just before I put it in the mold so that it'll run down into the cracks and crevices of where I'm trying to patch. And then I'll take the extra water, dip my finger in it, and use that to smooth over the surface. After that, it's just a matter of putting the material into the mold, into the bubbles, then smoothing it over with your finger and a little bit of water, and just repeat this process until every bubble is filled. Some of them you might need to tap with a brush just to roughen up the texture so it blends in with the rest of the mold. Hey, thanks for stopping by the Dark Nook and checking out another one of my videos. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit that bell so you get notifications when there's new content. I'm posting new content all the time now. If there's a project you'd like to see me try, or if you have a question about special effects or prop making or mask making, please leave a comment. And thanks for stopping by the Dark Nook. Keep coming back.